Hello. All right. Here I am to talk about the. Um, hope y'all can see me okay. This is really my first attempt at. Can you hear me? Hope so. All right. Here I am to talk. Trying to make this work, guys. I know this doesn't look the best, but let me know if you can hear me. I appreciate it. I'm going to bring up the current excessive rainfall outlook here and the current radar. So what we got going on right here, let's see if I can bring up the pen. I got to play around with these settings a lot. So let's see here. Anybody out there? Trying to keep the chat open here in case somebody says something here. Still working out the bugs here, guys, so bear with me. All right, so anybody there? All right, so all right, so let's take a look here, see if I can get my pen to work. Well, that didn't work. Bear with me, guys. Hello, anybody there? Well, anyway, here's the current radar. I got the heavy rainfall outlook on here. All right, let's take a look real quick. Hopefully somebody will come on. Appreciate y'all watching. Anybody here? All right. Let's take a look at the current radar real quick. Take the I'm still dealing with this here. Ah, hmm, well, all right. These are heavy rainfall potential. Now we go on next red satellite. Let's bring up this radar here. See, you already have some heavy rainfall just to the south of Augusta here. I start off the radar. This is the current radar from the area. Pretty heavy rainfall ongoing here. All right, so this is live scan. And let's put on some alerts here. Flash flood warnings. Just wanted to do this. I don't remember how to do it all. Heavy rainfall and guys discussion. Again, here is your excessive rainfall for today, okay? But you can see where the heaviest rainfall is right now. All right. I'm trying to get this radar to pull up, but it's not behaving here. I don't know why the radar's not moving, guys. It's interesting, but this product is difficult to use, so I'm not sure why I use it, but Well, let's go back down here. See if we can get a loop to pull up. There we go. It's loading the data now. So you can see where the heaviest rainfall is right now. It's pretty much in the Augusta area. This is loading. So apologize for the glitchiness here. It's my first time doing this. So tell you what, I'm going to switch products here. Let me go have a browser. No. Let's see here. Bear with me. Gonna go to Weatherfront. I'm not very organized today, am I? Uh, all right. Weatherfront. There we go. Bring this up. All right, let's go with the tried and true here. Here's weatherwise. All right. Easy enough to use. Already got it set up. Good to go here. Let's shrink this down a little bit. Let me get bigger like that. All right, so you can see me. All right, so the local radar, much easier to navigate. Now let's look at the excessive rainfall for today. Kind of bright on the screen here, but you can see where the heaviest rainfall potential is and what's going on right now, okay? Well, right now we got really heavy rainfall, and I don't like the way this is displaying on here. It's hard to see. Let me change the map. That's not really good either. Looks yucky. What do y'all think? Huh? Uh, guess I'll leave it on dark mode. Very heavy rainfall ongoing here. So let's bring up the watches and warnings here. Bring up some haz cams. Let's see the heaviest rainfall right now. Pretty much nothing going on in central Georgia. right? So I'm going to continue to add some stuff here. Make sure we have expert mode. Watches in the mornings. I have a flash flood areas up here. Don't have any flash flood watches up right now. So, yeah. Let's look at the rest of the country here. Down here in Texas, we have a special weather statement. Looks like patchy fog, so that's kind of interesting, right? Let's see what else we got going on today. Where you from, guys? Heavy rain, heavy rain. It's really bright, isn't it? Let's look at the future radar. What do you think? I'll be right back. Okay. Usually says a rainfall up for tomorrow. And now we look at the tropics real quick. Now we have a chance of formation here off the coast, Mexican coast. We also have chance of formation here in central Caribbean, central Eastern Pacific here. Interesting. All right, so going back to this, let's take the radar off, go to models, HRRR, sub-hourly. Looks like the heavy rainfall is going to be confined up here, the Augusta area, for the foreseeable future. But then this afternoon it's going to fill in central Georgia here. Potential heavy rainfall move through this area, right? And then moving to the south. So let's take a look at this again. Axis heavy rainfall there. And then this afternoon, going to be moving through here. Oh. Uh, Hello? Oh, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello? Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test 1, 2. Test, 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 test. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test 1, 2. Test, test. Just testing my audio. Test, test. All right. Oh, we don't currently have any flash flood watches out, so I guess there's not a lot to talk about today. I was thinking that we have more of a flooding risk, but for our local area, if this does materialize this afternoon, well, let's stop this real quick. We got some flooding going on here. Well, I'll probably be back later if the flooding threat moves into more central Georgia. It looks like it's mostly around the Augusta area, although the heavy rain is definitely a problem here. It's not impacting our local area right now. So I'll be back later if the threat materializes this afternoon.